Cam, the devoted husband, 29, hard-on-sleeve kind of guy. Liam, Cam's best friend. Funny, skeptical, always there for moral support. Day 1, 02:19 a.m. Cam, are you awake? Liam is a crime? Cam, I think I'm losing her again. Liam? Noelle? Cam, yeah, she woke up and looked at me like she'd never seen me before. Liam, for real? Man, what the fuck? I thought this dream memory stuff ended like months ago. Cam, no, it always come back. Like tides. She remembers me when she's asleep. And forgets me when she wakes up. Day 2, 10:11 a.m. Cam, she made pancakes this morning. Liam, okay, memories back? Cam, no, she called me Kieran. Said it's her husband. Liam, bro, you're her husband. Cam, but not in her version of reality right now. Day 3, 3:42 p.m. Cam, she kissed me today. Said I was in her dream last night. Liam, yes! But she didn't know it was me. Said I had different eyes in the dream. Mine, but bluer? Lol. Liam, dude, you win the most emotionally confusing life award. Day 5, 11:01 a.m. Cam, she's drawing again. Liam, okay, cool, neat. Why is this a crisis? Cam, she sketched us on the couch, except it was from a POV I recognize, like my POV from a moment last week. She wasn't even awake then, man. Liam, you mean she sees through your eyes in the dream? Cam, maybe, or her dreams are stolen puzzle pieces from my side. Day 6, 01:22 a.m. Cam, I whispered I love you while she was asleep. Liam, got all kinds of emotion. Cam, she smiled, then said I love you too, still asleep. Liam, dude, that's some Nicholas Sparks meets Inception level stuff. 1 week later, 5:36 p.m. Cam, she asked if we could start over. Liam, like, date again? Cam, like a first date, she thinks I'm someone kind and familiar. Liam, dude, do it! Date night, 11:33 p.m. Cam, best night since the wedding. She laughed at my same dumb jokes, held my hand under the table like it was the first time. 3 weeks later, dream spill begins. Cam, he's remembering, but in the wrong order. Liam? Huh? Cam, she said our wedding was in autumn. It was spring, but she knew the vows, word for word. Liam, so like dreams are writing over real memories? Cam, exactly. She knows me, but only while she's dreaming. Twist, 5:02 p.m. Cam, she call.